Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear the cache and cookies from the Safari web browser. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you want to start by having the Safari web browser open, and then select the Safari button in the top left corner of the menu. Select where it says Preferences. Select the Websites button. Select the Privacy button, and then where it says Manage Website Data, go ahead and left click on that. At this point, go ahead and select whatever sites you want to clear the cache for. Otherwise, you can just select Remove All. It's going to ask you sure you want to remove all data stored by the displayed websites on your computer. Select Remove Now, and then select Done. Please note you will have to enter back in website passwords if you clear them all. Otherwise, you can remove each one individually depending on if you're having just an individual site problem or multiple websites are having a problem. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.